The pumpkin is back in the news every day. It doesn't end. We thought he would no longer be president. We get rid of him. Nope. He's just as bad from his pumpkin headquarters in Florida. He's running for president. He's now leading the Republican field. And his number one immigration priority, he says, if he becomes president again, is to remove birthright citizenship. On May 30th, Donald Trump, Mr. Pumpkin, he announced he would seek to end birthright citizenship by executive order on his first day in office. Trump announced his plan on the 125th anniversary of the United States versus Wong Kim Ark, the Supreme Court case that established the constitutional right to birthright citizenship. Now, most experts agree, including myself. I haven't seen an expert who doesn't agree with this, that a United States president has zero authority to end birthright citizenship through an executive order, primarily because the practice is enshrined in the Constitution of the United States, according to the Supreme Court decision, United States versus Wong Kim Ark. And the 14th Amendment grants citizenship to those born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof. And this widely accepted interpretation of that amendment, and that applies to children born in the United States, regardless of parents' immigration status, has been the law since 1898. And the 14th Amendment, for those who don't know, was adopted after the Civil War to guarantee equal rights for former slaves. Immigration restrictionists argued that excludes the children of other groups like undocumented immigrants and its benefits. So the amendment was put into place for to make citizens of former slave citizens and their children citizens. And the Supreme Court said in 1898, it also is to any immigrant who has a child who's born in the United States, no matter of their immigration status. And according to the Trump campaign, the executive orders will explain the clear meaning of the 14th Amendment. Trump disagrees with what the 14th Amendment says. And he says that the children of foreign nationals born in the United States are not subject to the jurisdiction of the United States as defined in the Constitution. And during Trump's term in office, a draft executive order to that effect was previously circulated. The idea was revived shortly after Trump's loss to President Biden, but he never actually signed the executive order. Now, while an executive order altering the interpretation of the 14th Amendment is likely to face legal challenges, its proponents sought to take the case to the courts in hopes of eventually getting a favorable Supreme Court outcome with a 6 out of 9 majority of conservative judges, and also to start the process of having a conversation, a political conversation, a social conversation that's being held in the news by political pundits about what it means to be a United States citizen, and Donald Trump wants to change that. Hopefully, he doesn't become president. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.